Alright, well here we go. Guess that's the Yankee Jim Bridge. Pretty damn cool. Lots of kayakers. ADV, California. What a cool ride. Holy crap, look at this waterfall. Are you kidding me? No way. Oh, we better get a pic. Damn, that is cool. It just eats out right over the edge. Not going there. Check out that waterfall. That is cool. Wow. And look at this rock bridge. ADV, California. Just awesome. Let's keep going. What a cool spot. Oh, sweet. Cool spot. And they say Itchy Boots doesn't ride with a camera crew. Really? Must just be our backup motorcycle guy. Didn't see that rock coming. Damn. This is the Shirt Tail Canyon. Wow. Apparently this is a park. Come look at this. Ah, the cool air and the shade feels so good. What is this? Okay, so which way do we go? Shirt Tail Canyon, Yankee Jim's Road. Well, we can go either way. Better zoom out on the map. Oh, okay. This way goes right into Forest Hill. Well, let's cruise into Forest Hill, and then we'll come back this way. How about that? And we'll do the rest of Shirt Tail. Let's go! Switchback. bug dust. Wow, this is great. Well, apparently I went right by Yankee Jim's. Maybe we'll see it on the way back. Haha! ADV California! Primitive road.